Unlocking the power of professional acumen. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's vital for anyone stepping into or navigating through the professional world: professional acumen. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can develop it to thrive in your career. Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or a seasoned professional, understanding this concept can truly set you apart in the workforce. So, let's get started and unlock the power of professional acumen together. Professional acumen refers to the ability to make good judgments and quick decisions within the business or professional domain. It combines industry knowledge, experience, and critical thinking skills to navigate complex situations effectively. Think of it as a keen insight into your profession that enables you to understand and meet the expectations of your role, the market, and the broader industry trends. Having a strong professional acumen is crucial because it enhances decision-making skills. You're able to make informed decisions swiftly, even under pressure. Improves problem-solving abilities. You can identify problems quickly and come up with effective solutions. Boosts career advancement. Employers value employees who demonstrate a sharp understanding of the industry and can contribute to the company's success. Facilitates better communication. Understanding your industry well allows you to communicate more effectively with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. Developing professional acumen doesn't happen overnight. It requires a continuous effort to build and refine your skills. Here are some ways to develop your professional acumen. 1. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest trends, technologies, and news in your industry. 2. Seek experiences. Take on diverse projects and roles to gain a broad range of experiences. 3. Learn continuously. Pursue further education, certifications, and training relevant to your field. 4. Network. Engage with professionals in your industry to exchange knowledge and insights. 5. Reflect and adapt. Regularly reflect on your experiences, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your approach accordingly. Understanding and developing your professional acumen is a journey that can lead to significant rewards in your career. By focusing on enhancing your industry knowledge, critical thinking, and decision-making skills, you're not just preparing to face the challenges of today but also setting yourself up for success in the future. We hope this video has shed some light on what professional acumen is and how you can cultivate it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow on your professional journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.